Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Jake Chairs, and I'm going to be discussing this issue for my project too. Bullying in America. So, what is bullying? Bullying is when someone is hurt by unwanted words or actions, usually more than once, and has a hard time stopping what is happening to them. This can be a perplexing issue that requires a large number of approaches, including institutions that need these requirements. Here you'll get familiar with the realities. We are familiar with tormenting and the different arrangements that should be carried out, assuming this issue for our kids in America. So here I put a video representation of just kind of the impact it has on our overall community and society. So I'll play this for you guys.
So bullying can have short and long-term effects. The short-term effects being obviously making kids scared to be at school or to feel like friendships can be unsafe. Maybe they don't want to go to school. It could maybe affect them academically. So we've certainly seen kids who have demonstrated school refusal behavior because they have experienced bullying. And then sometimes it leads to even relationship issues with adults in the short term because they feel like the adults in their life are not protecting them. That is certainly a problem for kids not to feel like their adults are effective in helping them through a real problem. The other interesting effect that bullying has in the short and the long term is it actually can lead to bullying behavior by the child who's bullied. And those kids are the ones with the worst long-term outcomes. So kids who are bullied and go on to bully have the worst outcomes because they tend to be more depressed than kids who are bullied and don't go on to bully. They have higher rates of suicidal ideation as well. So we particularly worry about that group of kids. And just as you can imagine, in the long term, it could affect people's willingness to explore different types of relationships socially.
Yeah, so that was kind of a pretty good representation of how bullying impacts our society. I mean, as you can see here, there are two types of bullying. Verbal will, in general, be the most well-known structure. It is known to be kind of the communication side of bullying. Youngsters and youth can be casualties, culprits are assumed. The two is part is tormenting. Physical abuse also is a type of bullying. Uh, Actual harassing, hitting, kicking, such as squeezing or pushing, any harmful actions toward another person. Harassing causes both to present long haul harm. As right here you can see this graph has a percent of cyberbullying and the overall percentage of people who are involved in this. So as you can see here on the first three set of bars, total cyberbullying, here's 9.0%. The total people, male is significantly lower than female. Um, then we have private information purposely shared on internet, down's significantly down as well. And then you got all these other ones that also represent the overall data of how bullying is kind of analyzed. So the impact on America, what does it have? So harassing can influence everybody. You know, the individuals who are tormented can be connected to many adverse results, memory impacts for psychological wellness, which your mental health and overall state. It is vital to converse with children. Decide if harassing something different is a worry. Something such as sorrow and tension, expanded sensations of pity and depression, changes in rest, eating examples, loss of interest in exercises and different activities, uh, lower grades in school. GPA goes down. Bound to miss or skip school. These are the effects that this issue has on a lot of kids in our society, and this needs to be stopped. So some solutions can, be for youngsters to report to mindful grown-ups about bullying. This would more often help these kids because they'll have an adult to kind of handle the situation. They also need to be more confident, not forceful, but educate to what the overall situation is. A confident message is clear and differential. It does not put down or affront the individual who is tormenting, training, and presenting, can assist youngsters with learning decisive reactions. Prevention strategies. Clearly communicate policy and protocols for bullying behaviors to all staff. Empower bystanders to promote and take responsibility. Provide means for safety. Reporting bullying behaviors. Adopt a social skill and social and emotional learning curriculum. Improve school environment. And then work to foster positive student-teacher relationships. So these are some strategies that kind of just clearly can prevent these events from happening. So some program improvements and development ideas with this issue. Choices with respect to improvement of harassing, bullying program or plan might differ from changing management's task to an educational program contingent upon the special necessities of each everyday schedule, though might be given accompanying thoughts in deciding the best program. So, what kind of developments would be best? Maybe conducting a review, alignment of current policies, collect, organize, interpret the overall data of students or anybody in the institution being bullied. Identify effective programs, curriculum, or strategies to develop pro-social behaviors. This may be being different activities for kids, maybe clubs that can distract kids from not being, together, such as sports, something that can get kids off their mind. Get their mental health state healthier. Review programs, ensure program. Most of all, you got to ensure the program is inclusive for all students. Make them feel welcome. And yeah, that's all I got. Thank you.